You can get great sleep anywhere with the Transcend Micro Auto Travel CPAP machine, the lightest and smallest CPAP unit available. This travel-ready unit measures only 3.6 inches wide, 3.6 inches long, and 2.4 inches high, and weighs less than half a pound. The Transcend Micro easily fits into a handbag. Using gentle rise technology, this unit starts with low pressure and gradually ramps up to your desired pressure level while you sleep. The unit is quiet as a whisper with built-in sound dampening technology and the Whisper Soft muffler, so it will never disrupt your sleep. Using Sleep Start technology, the unit automatically starts when you put on your mask and stops when you take it off. You can use the MySleepDash mobile app to track your data from your mobile device or to check compliance information. The Transcend Micro is compatible with most CPAP masks and features a dry mode to remove excess moisture from the hose and mask in 30 minutes. The device also doesn't require water to operate and uses air mist heat-moisture exchange for humidification. Designed for travel, the Micro is FAA approved and can run on an AC wall adapter or the Transcend PowerAway P8 battery. Your purchase includes the Transcend Micro CPAP, AC power adapter, Airflex 6-foot hose, Whisper Soft muffler, travel pouch, and user manual. We also offer a 2-year manufacturer's warranty on the unit. Please contact us with any questions you have about the Transcend Micro Auto CPAP machine. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.